Hi beauties, so today I did this beautiful spring coral look for you guys. This is the color of the year, Live in Coral, and I'm really excited to show you guys this look. I used the new NYX off Tropic palette in Hasta Vista, and I am obsessed with this palette. It's so pretty, it's so spring, it's so bomb. I also used Fenty's new liquid lipstick and one of Laura Mercier's new matte lipsticks on my lips, so I love the way this turned out, you guys. I love corally shades. They're definitely one of my favorite colors. For spring, super flirty, sexy, girly. I love this look. So if you want to see how to get the look, definitely keep on watching. If you're not yet subscribed to the Beauty Gang, definitely subscribe down below and click the little bell. That way you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get into the look. So this is the Off Tropic palette up close. Hasta la vista, baby. If you're wondering why I have so much energy, I literally just had a fat burnout. I didn't realize it had caffeine in it, so I took it because I just got it, and yeah, then I read the label and I realized it had caffeine, and now I have all this energy at 11 o'clock at night. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this color number here. It is just called number 5. Oh no, it's not called number 5. It is called number 1. I don't know what it's called. Okay, so we're gonna go in with color number 5, which is this beautiful coral shade, and coral is definitely the color of the year from Pantone. I think it's called Live in Coral, and it's such a pretty color. So we're gonna take this one right here, dribble the brush into it, and then we're gonna put this on the lid in a little mirror. I'm gonna use this little gift card thing from Sephora. Isn't that the cutest little gift card thing? Like, I still use it. Alright, so we're just gonna pack that onto the eyelid. We're gonna go right above the eyelid actually and just push that right in here. Ooh, it's giving us some really nice pigment so far. That's a good thing. We want pigment. You guys, I got this amazing mic and it's always missing batteries, it's always dead. It's just horrible. And it was pricey. So like I hate using the camera audio, but I'm not the best at charging things, okay? I'm just not the best. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that on Wednesday last week I got to go to Laura Mercier's masterclass. They launched some new products, eye products, and they're so gorgeous. But you guys, Makeup by Mario taught the class. It was amazing. I know some of you guys saw on Instagram and some of you guys wanted me to let you know some of the tips I learned. So I will do a video showing you guys some of the tips I learned because I wasn't like sure what I was gonna experience, and you know, you always feel like you know a lot, but it's so crazy when you meet a professional and they teach you things and you're like, oh my gosh, like, and you learn so much in literally 3 hours. I was shocked. It was amazing. I'm so grateful, and thank you guys so much, because without you guys, opportunities like that would never happen. So thank you so much. This is all because of you. I'm just gonna keep blending this out until I like how blended it is. Actually, this color is really nicely pigmented, and I was not sure how, you know, bomb it would be because it's NYX and sometimes, you know, they're not there, but this one is really good, and I'm really loving the pigment. It's a nice wash of coral, which is what I wanted, and it's just perfect. I think the orange will definitely show up a little bit more on my eyelid, and I can't wait to put it there. This is gonna be perfect. We're gonna move into the orange shade, which I'm really excited to go into. The orange shade is number 7, and it's listed as a pressed pigment. I think the whole bottom row besides the middle yellow. So the whole bottom row besides the yellow are pressed pigments. We're gonna pack this on, just a little tappy tap. Ooh, this is pretty. Do I want it to show up more is the question. I'm going to take the Fenty eyeshadow primer and just put some of that on my eyelid. I just want it to be a little bit more pigmented, so I'm just going to run that on my eyelid. And you could use concealer, whatever you want, to get some extra pop-in results. So we're going to go into the orange and we're just going to pack her on. I'm going back into the coral with this big brush, and I'm just going to add it to the orange because I really want this to be a corally look. So I'm going to add it to the edges and also over the orange shade so that it shows up more coral, but it's going to have a bright a brightness to it on my eyelid since I had the orange there. And we're just gonna do the same thing here. We're just gonna go over. Just gonna blend this in here. Just dust off the edges. So for the inner corner, I'm going to use some of this little Mercier pencil. It is such a pretty color. Oh my gosh, I've been obsessed for the past like week. You guys, it's so pretty. It's gorgeous though, you guys. It matches my necklace. Then I'm going to take a pencil brush and just kind of blend that a little bit in here. Just a little bit of blending. Just move the color around a little bit. I'm taking that coral shade, I'm going to add it down here also. This look is giving me spring vibes, so I decided to open up the eyes some more with the coral. I'm going to use Ginger from the Laura Mercier Caviar sticks, and I'm going to put that in the waterline. I did this eye just to test it out, and I really like the way it looks, so we're going to pop it in this side. We're gonna mascara eyes now. Mascara eyes. I'm gonna dust off this powder from under my eye. Okay, so it is snatch time. We're gonna get snatched. I'm gonna use this Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. Your girl, I've been obsessed with this. I've been obsessed. So we're gonna just pop this right here. Like to stop like right here so I could have blending room, you know? Room to blend. Otherwise, I end up literally in my mouth. So we don't want to do. We don't. Not in 2019. I don't want to do it. I don't want it to happen to me. So we're gonna just blend a little bit, going up like that. Also, don't want to bring it down because then it's gonna look like I have a beard. And you know, I already have one. I don't want to make it any worse. So I'm just gonna also press this into the skin like so. Out the way. Oh, no, we're gonna boom. Contour is done. Okay, we're gonna do this side now. Just gonna push that up a little bit. Tried shaving my face the other day, and I got 2 ingrown hairs, and I'm pretty sure it's from shaving. So I need to figure out what I did wrong. I actually watched, I listened to a podcast, or something. I don't know. I was watching something. I actually just heard that you should shave in every direction and not in just one direction. So I will be doing that next time for sure. Apparently, I've always heard to shave against the grain, which I think is what is taught. But apparently the grain doesn't go in one direction. It goes in different directions. So you have to shave like up, down, side, diagonal, whatever. Because apparently I think it's something like 50% of the hair is not going in the same direction, like on the same grain, whatever. So we're gonna bronze the face. I'm gonna use my Guerlain number 9 bronzer. I always get questions about this bronzer. It is number 9 from Guerlain. I only find it at Neiman Marcus, and it's actually not on the website the last like 20 times I checked, but you could, if you have a Neiman Marcus near you, maybe you could check the store, or you can get it at Guerlain's website, I believe. So for some reason, Sephora does not carry this beautiful shade. It is such a beautiful shade. Today I'm going to use the glow powder. So I just basically take my same brush, and I just haven't really feeling this lately. I don't know, like I also dust this on my forehead, like right here, which is perfect because I love doing this, but with a regular highlight it's just too much. But with this powder, I can definitely like put this on my forehead and get a nice little, hey girl, you know. I've been loving the Full Spectrum highlighter shade in this palette, so I'm going to use that today. Little pencil brush and just go down here. This eye is always like, it's like my lazy eye, so I have to like, you know, work with her, you know. I've been really into my little rose spray, so I think I'm gonna use her. This is the Caviar Hydrated Face Mist with H2 Rose. So it has some rose in there. It's really nice. It feels amazing. It smells great. For lips, I was thinking this type of orange mixed with Fenty's Unattached. For lip liner, I'm using Max Spice. It's not super dark brown, but I think it's gonna work really well with these colors. Let's just try it out. I'm gonna use this Buxom. I have been obsessed with this. This is a Buxom Power Plump Lip Balm. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I'm going to take some of Soiree first. And then I'm going to take Fenty. It's pretty much what I did with the eyes with the orange and then the coral. So I'm going to take Fenty's Unattached, which is a coral. And I'm going to put that one in the center. I absolutely love this color. I just created my new jam. Like, I love this color, you guys. This combo is bomb. I'm going to actually add some more spray. I'm going to use the Redo from Beauty Blender, which I have been obsessed with. I think you're supposed to shake this. So this is the entire look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any makeup tutorial requests, leave them down below. My creative juices have definitely been bubbling. And comment below your favorite color for spring. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! My L girl.